Hey everyone! Exciting news! Bee's Tasty Table is now Bee's Glow Kitchen. I love sharing delicious, easy recipes, but I also believe in natural skincare using real ingredients. So why not bring them together? You'll still get tasty, easy to make meals, plus natural skincare tips straight from the kitchen. Because glowing skin starts from the inside out. I can't wait to share this journey with you. Let me know in the comments. Are you here for the food, skincare, or both? Thank you for choosing Bee's Glow Kitchen. Let's glow and grow together.